Wait, do not wash your hair today because what I'm about to show you could be the biggest breakthrough of extreme hair growth you have ever seen. This oil is so super potent that once you apply it, you must not wash it out because that is the secret to making your hair grow longer, thicker and faster than you ever imagine. And I will explain why you must never wash it out of your hair in a moment. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Listen, if your hair is stuck, breaking, thinning or just refuse to grow, this remedy will blow your mind. I have combined 8 ancient powerful ingredients into one oil so strong it keeps working on your scalp all day and night. Imagine oiling your hair once and while you go about your days, it's busy repairing your scalp, stopping breakage and unlocking unbelievable growth. That is exactly what this oil does. And today I will show you how to make it, apply it step by step. Our first ingredient is black seed. Black seed fights hair loss and strengthens your hair roots. So I'll be making use of 3 tablespoons of my black seed. Moving on to my second ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed stop hair shedding and add thickness to your hair. I also make use of 3 tablespoons of my fenugreek seed. My third ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. So rosemary boosts circulation for faster hair growth. I also be making use of 3 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf. Moving on to my fourth ingredient is gloves. Gloves stimulate scalp and fight dandruff and hair fall. I'll also be making use of 3 tablespoons of my gloves. To achieve best results with this dry ingredient into this oil form, you need to blend this, okay? If you don't have dry blender, I would advise you to use a local mortar to crush it. It's very important you follow this step for that best result, okay? So after transferring mine into my dry blender, I blend it into a powder form. After blending it, I bring my jar to transfer the dry ingredient blend into the jar. Whatsoever you're using to fuse your oil, make sure it's free of moisture and super clean, okay? So after transfer the dry blending ingredients, we move on to the fifth ingredient. Our fifth ingredient is neem powder. Neem powder purifies scalp and prevents buildup on your scalp. I also make use of 3 tablespoons of my neem powder. Moving on to my sixth ingredient is shikakai. Shikakai also promotes hair shine and strengthen your strands and also promotes faster hair growth. I also make use of 2 tablespoons of my shikakai. Moving on to my seventh ingredient is moringa powder. Moringa packed with nutrients for strong, healthy hair growth. So moving on to our least ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus prevents breakage, promotes fuller hair and darken your hair in no time. Do you see these powerful 8 ingredients we put together into this oil? Guys, these are the best ingredients you can combine together and get the most powerful faster hair growth and tackle a lot of your hair problems, okay? But it not end here. I will show you the most powerful effective way to make this oil for that 10 times faster hair growth. So for the carrier oils, you can use any carrier oil of your choice, but the one I'm using is grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, alga oil and coconut oil. Please, if it's one of these oil you have, please feel free to make use of it. If it's olive oil, please make use of it. Coconut oil, any one at all, make use of it, okay? They are very okay. It's not compulsory, must use the oil that I use, okay? So I'm trying to make sure that the oil is very filled on top of the ingredients. So any amount of ingredients you are making, make sure that the oil covers cover the ingredient properly, okay, to get that best result. After filling up the oil into the jar, this is what I have so far. Next thing now, I will give it a quick turn around, okay. It's very, very important I stir it, so to combine all the dry ingredients together so that they can melt properly, so that they can infuse very, very well. Guys, there are different ways you can infuse this oil, but the method I will show you in this video is mind-blowing. This method is the most powerful way, the most potent way, and the most effective way to get best results with this oil. So after making sure that this oil have really mixed properly, the ingredients and the oil have combined very, very well. Next thing I will do now, I will bring the cover of this container to cover it properly. Please use something that have very tight cover, okay. After covering it, I will keep it aside in a cool dark place to infuse for 6 good weeks. But every day I'll be turning it every day. I will bring it out and use my spoon to whip it around, keep it again, maybe 2 days again I bring it out to whip it around to keep it aside. I do this for complete 6 good weeks. After 6 good weeks, do you see this oil is very, very darker than the earlier before. This oil is the best oil you can ever use. This oil is the most powerful, potent, effective oil to grow your hair, to achieve that thicker, fuller, longer hair, and also to solve those your hair problems. As you can see, this oil did not come in contact with heat, making this oil the most powerful, potent, effective oil. You don't need to put this oil in a heat. You can also go as far as infusing it for 2 months, 3 months. The longer time you infuse this oil, the better results you got. That is the honest truth about this oil. Guys, this oil is ready to be used. Do you see how dark this oil is? This oil is the most powerful oil I have ever made before. So I bring a bowl and my sheaf cloth to strain out my oil. You know, this oil is a powder ingredient. You need something that have very tiny hole to strain it out, so that those particles of the ingredient will not stuck into your hair, and that will not be a good idea. It will cause build up on your hair. So use something that have very tiny hole so that you can get a clean, plain oil, okay. After doing that chaff, I will discard it, but you can also use it as a deep conditioner, okay. But in my own case, I discard it. I do not make use of it again. You can also add more oil on it to infuse it more. The ingredient is still potent, so you can also go ahead and add more oil on it and continue infusing it. Guys, this oil is ready to be used. Do you see how darker this oil is? So you can also go ahead to add essential oils on them if you choose, but I do not add any further ingredients on it because this oil itself is the powerful, potent, effective oil you can ever think of. So going ahead to add essential oil, I find it unneedful, okay, but you can add yours if you need it, okay. And for the smell, this oil smells so amazing. Don't need to worry anything about horrible smell with this oil. So I bring this my jar and my small container I'll be using to apply this oil on my hair to demonstrate to you guys on how to use it. So this one that is on the jar, I will keep it aside in a cool dark place, okay. And my powerful, effective oil is ready to be used. So guys, now let me demonstrate to you on how you can apply this oil to achieve crazy hair growth. So there are different ways to use this oil to achieve that massive hair growth and also to tackle your hair problems, and I will tell you the best one among them for that faster 10 times hair growth and also to see crazy result faster with this oil. So first way you can use this oil on your hair is using it as a hot oil treatment. Second way you can use it is to use it as your pre-poo. Third way is adding it in your deep conditioners. Fourth way is also use it as your daily scalp massage. Fifth way you can use it is to add it on your shampoo or any of your hair growth routine. So among these ways you can use this oil, the best way to use this oil to see that 10 times faster hair growth is to use it as your daily scalp massage or as your sealant. Daily scalp massage, guys, meaning you don't need to wash it out. This is the way you can see 10 times faster hair growth by not washing it out of your hair. Allow this oil to sit on your hair, guys. That is the best decision you can ever take with this oil, and that is the way you can see that faster results with this oil. So please don't wash it out, okay? Allow this oil to sit on your scalp to do that amazing work it's supposed to do on your hair. Okay, so whenever I want to moisturize your hair, whenever I want to use your tea spray, you can also use it as your sealant. Okay, don't wash it out to see that best results. So guys, I have come to end of today's video. I hope you have find this video very helpful. If you have tried this oil before, let me know in comment section below. Which of these ingredients is your favorite ingredient? Let me know in comment section below. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Okay, and also please help me to like this video. It really helped me a lot and encourage me, and it help the growth of the channel. Lastly, please share this video to your family and friends so that they will get the good news on today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.